Hi friends, in this lecture we will continue problems on Gauss divergence theorem. So this is the statement of Gauss divergence theorem. Double integral of f bar dot n ds over the surface S is equal to triple integral of del dot f bar dv over the volume V. So sometimes we are using this notation is also for solving the problems. Double integral of f1 dy dz plus f2 dz dx plus f3 dx dy over the surface S is equal to triple integral of dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z dx dy dz over the volume V. Now see one example. So evaluate double integral of f bar dot n ds over the surface S where f bar equal to 6zi plus 2x plus y of j minus xk, where S is bounded by the surface of the cylinder x square plus z square equal to 9, inclined between x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0 and y equal to 8. So you can solve by using this surface integral. So instead of using this surface integral, by using the Gauss divergence theorem, we are converting this surface integral into volume integral. Now what is the statement of Gauss divergence theorem? So double integral of f bar dot n ds over the surface S is equal to triple integral of del dot f bar dv over the volume V. So first of all you have to compare with f bar equal to f1i plus f2j plus f3k. So f1 equal to 6z, f2 equal to 2x plus y and f3 equal to minus x. So now, this is S is the bounded by the surface of the cylinder x square plus z square equal to 9 between x equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0 and y equal to 8. So it is the x axis, y axis, z axis. So this is x square plus z square equal to 9 and this is y equal to 8. Now this is the equation of x square plus z square equal to 9. So instead of calculating this double integral, we are converting into triple integral. So first of all you have to calculate del dot f bar. So del dot f bar equal to dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. Now you have to differentiate this f1 with respect to x partially. So derivative of 6z dou by dou x of 6z. So derivative of z with respect to x 0. So similarly for this, if you are differentiating this with respect to y partially, so derivative of x is 0, derivative of y is 1. So similarly for the f3, so dou f3 by dou z. So with respect to z, minus x is constant, therefore this value is 0. Now substitute these values first in this. So that is dou f1 by dou x is 0 plus 1 plus 0. So that is triple integral of 1 dx dy dz over the volume V. So in this, given the limits of y. So y limits are 0 to 8. Now x square plus z square equal to 9 is the equation of a circle. Now, so we are using the parameter form x equal to r cos theta and z equal to r sin theta, dx dz equal to r dr d theta. So r limits are 0 to 3 and theta is varying from 0 to pi by 2. So this reason. So substitute these limits. So integral dy, double integral of dx dz. So integral of dy, that is y. So y limits are 0 to 8. And for this integral of r dr, so that is r square by 2 between the limits 0 to 3 and integral d theta is theta between the limits 0 to pi by 2. Now substitute these values. So this is 3 square 9, 9 by 2, 5 by 2 minus 0, that is 5 by 2, 8 minus 0 is 8. Now simplify this. In this 2 times 2 into 9, 18 pi. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe.